In this video, I am going to show you how to set up product bundles in your Shopify store using the MBC Bundles app. Let's get started. First, go to the Shopify App Store, search for MBC Bundles, install the app, and open it from your apps list. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Create Bundle to get started. Next, choose the type of bundle you want. This could be a standard bundle with fixed products, a buy X, get Y deal, or a mix and match bundle. Then decide how the bundle will show, either as its own product page or as a widget on an existing product page. Now, add the products you want in the bundle. You can select items from your catalog, allow customers to choose variants like size or color, and set quantity rules if needed. After that, move to pricing and choose how the discount works, such as a fixed bundle price, a percentage off, or a free item. Once pricing is set, choose where the bundle will appear in your store and enable the widget or bundle page. Make sure the app is enabled for your current theme. Then test it on your storefront by adding the bundle to cart and checking that the discount applies correctly. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.